Nothing is preparing for a big leap in 2025. The UK-based tech company, known for its bold design choices, has already launched two mid-range smartphones. Now, it is gearing up to introduce its first-ever flagship, the Nothing Phone 3. The company claims this will be its most advanced product yet, shaped by feedback from users and the experience gained from its previous phones. And cherry on the cake, we now have the most accurate details yet about the device's specifications, though these are not yet confirmed by the company officially. Now, for the past few weeks, Nothing has been building excitement for the Phone 3. The brand has officially revealed that the device will be priced around £800. This price point has naturally raised expectations, especially with the teasers Nothing has been sharing. However, some fans were left disappointed when it was confirmed that the Phone 3 will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor, rather than the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite used in some competing devices. Still, apart from the chipset, leaks suggest the Phone 3 will bring many improvements over the company's earlier models. This makes sense, considering that Nothing's current lineup only includes mid-range phones. The Phone 3 is expected to feature a 6.7-inch OLED LTPO display with a 1.5K resolution, promising smooth visuals and vibrant colors. The camera system is also set to be a major highlight. Rumors point to a triple 50-megapixel setup, including a 3x periscope zoom lens, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 50-megapixel main sensor. The front-facing camera is also said to be 50 megapixels, which should deliver excellent results for selfies and video calls. In terms of battery life, the Phone 3 is rumored to include a 5,150 mAh battery. It will also support 100-watt fast-wired charging, along with wireless and reverse wireless charging options. This should provide solid battery performance and quick recharging times. Other expected features include NFC support and eSIM compatibility. The device will likely run on Nothing OS 3.5, which is based on Android 15, and Phone 3 will be the first device to receive the company's upcoming Nothing OS 4 update. If you want to know more about the upcoming Nothing OS 4, you can check our recent videos linked in the I section and description. You can also join Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Furthermore, when it comes to design, an image leaked by GadgetBits suggests the Phone 3 may have a slightly unusual look. The camera layout appears to be asymmetric, which is already sparking some discussion among fans. While previous Nothing phones have never focused heavily on perfect symmetry, many were hoping that this flagship would offer a more refined and balanced design. The same design was also seen in the Phone 3A design discussion video. This could also be a prototype of the Nothing Phone 3. What's your take on this design? Let us know in the comments. The official launch event for the Nothing Phone 3 is expected to take place on July 1st. The company has already confirmed that the phone will be released in the US and will support major carriers such as AT&T and T-Mobile. However, there will be no support for Verizon at launch. Overall, the Nothing Phone 3 seems ready to offer a real flagship experience, blending eye-catching design with upgraded hardware and software. If it delivers on its promises, this could be the device that finally establishes Nothing as a major player in the flagship market. What are your thoughts about Nothing Phone 3 design? Let us know in comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.